SEP and Red Hat working together in the area of backup of Linux and open source systems since many years. The start of the relationship was 2006 or 2007 when Red Hat started to recruit actively ISVs. Since then, SEP is an active Red Hat Advanced partner. In 2010, SEP was awarded as a Red Hat ISV Partner of the Year at the Red Hat Partner Conference. There are several backup vendors, of course, which support the backup of Red Hat Enterprise Linux systems. But SEP also adds backup support for all these open source databases like MySQL, like Postgres, like Enterprise DB. And this makes SAP's backup solution so valuable. In 2015, during the Red Hat Partner Conference in Frankfurt, SEP announced the availability of the backup client for Red Hat Virtualization. Our latest version of Red Hat Virtualization provides enhanced backup functionality via dedicated APIs. And this enables SAP technologies to deliver advanced data protection capabilities. And they directly implemented Red Hat Virtualization into their solution. This helps to provide an enterprise-grade backup solution for a Red Hat-based cloud infrastructure.